guys, it's another day. So it's 6:02 in the evening. I'm just done with my work online and I'm here in the kitchen ready to do some cooking. Yeah, so here's the chicken meat. I have thawed that already. I have here the other ingredients. Carrots. Ito na lang leftover na carrots namin. Some celery. Dahon ng sibuyas, magic sarap, garlic, potato, egg, one egg, and then the sibuyas. And then these potatoes, I will bake them later. I will make the twice baked potatoes and I will share them later. So I already washed this celery and the carrots and the dahon ng sibuyas. I will cut them and chop them. Gupit-gupitin ko lang itong dahon ng sibuyas into small pieces. I usually put lots of vegetables in my meatballs or Shanghai, but ito na lang natira kong carrots, so let's do this. So I'm also grating the celery. Just cutting the garlic into small pieces. 3 cloves ang nilagay ko. More garlic, more tasty. So, pag gumagawa ako ng meatballs, o kaya Shanghai, tansya-tansya na lang ang ko. Wala talaga akong recipe na sinusunod. More vegetables, the better. More spices, the better. Yeah, so as much as possible when I cook 2 to 3 recipes para maximize ko yung time ko dito sa kusina. So, ayan na yung meat, the chicken, the chicken meat. Giniling meat, and then the garlic and the sibuyas. So I added in the savory spice. This one, savory, and then I'm adding in lemon pepper. Tansya-tansya lang, siguro half teaspoon, and then this magic sarap. Hindi na akong dadagdag ng salt. No more salt. Just this magic sarap. So, ayan na yung magic sarap and the pepper and the savory spice, the chicken and the garlic and sibuyas. And so I'll mix this first, and then I'll add in the carrots, the celery, and the leafy sibuyas, dahon ng sibuyas. So, mix lang. The last one that I added is the egg. I will mix again. To cook, I'm also preparing these ingredients to cook the twice baked potatoes. I will show the step-by-step procedure in another vlog. Okay, so I brushed some olive oil both sides and I flip it pinagpipet ko tapos tapos ko sa oven. Maybe another 20 minutes. My potatoes are still there. Look at that. Okay, so the meatballs, the baked meatballs is already cooked. It tastes better actually because my son put some few pieces in the air fryer and it tasted like very dry, but this one is tasted better, I think, because maybe because of the olive oil that I brushed on the sides, so it tastes better.